Manny. From the title, you already know I am enthusiastic, fired up, and ready to rock this morning. Good morning and welcome to Coach Manny's Tip. And I got a great one for you today from one of my great mentors, Norman Vincent Peale, who had some great stuff out there. But it talks about success and it says enthusiasm. Enthusiasm, right? We got that this morning. Enthusiasm spells the difference between mediocrity and accomplishment. Let me say that again. Enthusiasm spells the difference between mediocrity and accomplishment. So today, it's Monday. Get in there and get your team pumped up. Show them through the way you walk. Be enthusiastic, be fired up, be ready. Show them through what you do. Because you can go in there and you can try to pump them up. You can go in there and do all those things. But if you walk into your environment today and you're enthusiastic and you're fired up and you're pushing and pumping and rolling, it's contagious. And your team gets it. And you will start rocking. It's Coach Manny. What a great way to start Monday, right? Enthusiastic, fired up, and ready to roll. Have a great week and get out there, pump your team up, and let's go double those sales, right? I'll see you tomorrow.